What's up everybody, this is Scott with 512 Garage.
And I'm Greg. The stock is a deadhead system. This allows you to, you want it all fluid, you don't want to cut it.
No. Yeah. All this happening right here.
Right now.
Let's do that again. All this happening right now.
Right here. I'm so used to saying that because that's what it was when we first started hanging out.
Pretty much all pie is good, but apple pie and shoe-fly pie are the best.
One take Jake over here.
All right, you guys, we have, oh, shaky camera. The other fuel rail, it's so good. That was not good. Bam-a-lam-a ding dong. Okay, hold on, no, keep it rolling, keep it rolling. Or did we get that?
I think we nailed it.
Let's not take this one so seriously. No, I love interacting with people who love cars and Corvettes just as much as we do.
Yeah.
Little Chopskis came crawling in.
It's like, what are you guys doing? That was really sloppy.
Chopskis, what are you doing? You're gonna be in our shot.
Absolutely, and if you like this install video, or you like that Radium Engineering kit just like I did.
Damn it, damn it, damn it. The rain!